Hello guys, I have created this channel today, Analysis with Ashish, and this is my first video on this channel. So let's start with my introduction first. My name is Ashish and I'm an aspiring data analyst. So let's start the purpose. What is the purpose of creating this channel? So the purpose is I just want to share knowledge related to data analytics, and I will upload video tutorial related to SQL, Python, Power BI tool and advanced Excel. I'll also upload lead code and hacker rank questions solution in this channel in future, and I'll also upload my experience and my journey of learning. So if you are also an aspiring data analyst, or if you want to also polish your skill, then you can subscribe this channel. And guys, please like this video and support me and support this channel. So if you have any suggestion and questions, so please ask in the comment box.